Good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. So, yesterday we have already started chapter number. Our chapter is going on the globe, the latitude, and the longitudes. And we have discussed about the definition about the parallels, latitude, longitude that we have discussed. And yesterday we have started the point. Next point is the longitude and the time. And I have given you the longitude passing through Greenwich has been taken as the standard meridian by all the countries of the world. Okay, I am going to show you, my dear students, Greenwich, the location of the Greenwich Mean Time, where it is actually. Okay, in the United States, in the UK, United Kingdom, it is here. And from here, the Greenwich city is there located in United Kingdom. It is from the vertical line, actually middle, okay, passing through from the Greenwich city. It is the standard meridian, and we are all the countries of the world locating, taking the time, measuring the different time according to this Greenwich city. I hope that you are getting. So that I am going to show you Greenwich meridian. Okay, Greenwich meridian. When it is midday or noon time in Greenwich, all the places along the prime meridian have noon time. I am going to share the screen so you will better understand. It will come on your screen very soon. Okay. The image is the globe, latitudes and the longitude. It will come very soon, my dear students. Okay. You can see here the prime meridian, main Greenwich time. Here you can see it. I am going to annotate it. Here you can see Greenwich Mean Time. It is situated here, Greenwich, and it is the main meridian. Main meridian, my dear students. Main meridian, Greenwich Mean Time, Greenwich time. So it divides the earth into two hemispheres. Okay, I am going to draw it. Divide the earth into two parts. Okay, Greenwich city, it is situated here. I am going to show this Greenwich Mean Time, main prime meridian. Then it divides the earth into two parts. It is called the Western Hemisphere and it is the Eastern Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere. May the earth keeps on rotating on its axis from west to east. From west to east, it is keep rotating on its own axis. Therefore, the cities and places located toward the east and the prime meridian have sunrise earlier than those cities which are situated towards the west. We all are situated. India, I am going to show. Again, I am going to show you the different pictures so you can better understand. Okay, prime meridian, it is there. Prime meridian, I am going to draw it first of all. Prime meridian, it is actually going through here, middle of the earth. Okay, and this part is known as the Western Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. So sun is rising first. Okay, because of the rotation of the earth, the sun rises first here in this area, in the eastern hemisphere, in this area. Okay, see the India, it is here, India. Therefore, cities, places located toward the east of prime meridian have sunrise earlier. So sunrise it is earlier in this area. Okay, and cities which are situated the west, and this is the western hemisphere, western countries, it is backed. Okay, that's why. Next topic, it is Cairo 30 wind experiences sunrise before Canton and Kolkata. Okay, Cairo experiences sunrise before Canton and Kolkata. Experience sunrise before New York. Okay, I am going to show another picture of the different cities of the world. Okay, first I am going to stop the screen and again I will share the screen. So you will better understand, my dear students. Okay, just see here. Here, again I am going to show you. Time it is given here. And it is the Greenwich Mean Time, 0 degree. You can see. Prime meridian, Greenwich Mean Time. Here I am going to annotate. Greenwich Mean Time, you can see here, 0 degree. And that's why sunrise it is earlier in this area. Sunrise, it is earlier. And this area, they are back. Okay, this western hemisphere and this one is the eastern hemisphere. This area. Cairo, Canton, Cairo it is here. Cairo and Canton, Cairo it is here, my dear students, in the Egypt. Cairo and Canton, it is also here. So they have the earlier sunrise here. Earlier sunrise it is here in this area. Sunrise it is earlier in this area, my dear students, because it is situated in the eastern hemisphere. Thus, the cities toward the east of Greenwich are ahead of the Greenwich time. Cities located west of the prime meridian will experience noon after Greenwich. Therefore, they are said to be behind Greenwich time. So, they are behind this area. It is behind than this area. Okay? This behind. It is earlier and it is the behind. Thus, we observe that the difference in time between two places is due to the fact that they are located different longitudes or meridians. And that's why we are able to see the different time zones. Right now, in India, it is around 10:13. Day it is here in this part. The day it is here in this part. In this part, we have the daytime, but it is in the other western side, we have the night. This part, okay, because of this main 0 degree, it is going through here. 0 degree, it is actually here, my dear students. 0 degree. Let's divide the two parts, day and night, because they are situated at the different longitudes. Longitudes are here and latitudes, different parallels are there. Latitudes and the longitudes. Different cities are there. So we can easily identify. That's why different longitude and latitudes degree are given here on the screen. Okay. So local time and standard time. The local time of an area depends on its longitude. Local time. Now we are going to discuss about our India local time, our country India. Okay, country India now. So differs from the place to place because of the different longitude and the great inconvenience of the whole country. Of the different longitudes are there. Longitudes, different longitudes in the same countries. I am going to show longitude in the same country. In India we have, it is the longitude, it is passing through here. The second longitude, it is passing through here. You can see it. Longitudes, different longitude are also passing through here. And that's why different time zones in the same countries because of these longitudes. In Assam, it is situated here. There in Assam, the present time it is around right now in Assam it is around 12 or 12:30, but right now in Gujarat it is 10:16. So it is because of the different longitudes. Okay. To overcome this problem, the time of central places situated on a particular meridian is taken as the uniform time for whole country. Okay, that's why we have taken this prime meridian 0 degree. So all the main time we can easily identify. But in India, how we are going to count it? In India, we have one places. Okay, one place that we have to select. So from this place, the whole timing of the one country, it is divided, counted. Okay, so it is called the standard time. So in India, the time of Allahabad city, which is situated at 82.5 longitude, it is used as standard time for the whole country. Allahabad, it is situated here in India. Allahabad, it is situated here. So it is taken as the standard time. Standard time. So if right now it is 10:16 AM. So we have taken this time from this area only. Okay, it is situated in between, you can see it, 82.5 longitude, 82.5 longitude, and the meridian 82 east, known as the standard meridian time. So Allahabad, it is situated here. Okay, Allahabad. Allahabad, situated in Uttar Pradesh, my dear students, taken as the Indian Standard Time, IST, Indian Standard Time. So Allahabad is located on the eastern longitude. It experiences sunrise ahead of Greenwich. Greenwich situated here. Greenwich. It is ahead of Greenwich, my dear students. For every degree of longitude, there is different of 4 minutes. Every longitude is different of 4 minutes. Okay. Therefore, Indian Standard Time is 82 by 4 minutes is equal to 330 minutes ahead of GMT, or we can say Indian Standard Time is ahead of GMT. Okay. GMT means GMT, it is here. GMT. It is here, Greenwich Mean Time, and Indian Standard Time. We are following here, my dear students. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time. So Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time because it is situated in the Eastern Hemisphere. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time, 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of 5 hours. Indian Standard Time ahead of 5 hours ahead from Greenwich Mean Time. I hope that you are getting. We are discussing about the location of Ahmedabad Indian Standard Time. We are following the Allahabad city's timing in all over in India, so there will be no any confusion. Okay, that's why we are doing that. We are following the Indian Standard Time. Okay, different time zones is given here. I am going to show another picture so you will better understand. Okay, different time zones. Berlin, if it is right now, it is Delhi in around 10:30. At the same time, in the New York, it is around 12 o'clock in the noon time, in the night. In Zurich, Sydney, Paris, Berlin, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, different time zones. It is given here, my dear students. This picture is better, my dear students. We can see it. Different places, different places of the earth. If it is in Tokyo, Japan, in Japan, if it is 2 o'clock, at the same time in Canada, Calgary, it is 11 o'clock night, because here it is the sunrise and here it is the sunset. Okay, sunset it is here, and here it is Tokyo, it is 2 o'clock noon time, and Canada it is 11 o'clock night, it is here. Different time zones, you can compare it. In India, Cairo it is here, Egypt, Moscow, Berlin, London, Paris, New York, then Dallas, Calgary, Saskatchewan, Saskatoon, then African countries, Australia, Sydney, Beijing, China. Can see it, different time zones on the same time. That's why if your relatives are there on different countries, so when you are talking about the noon time, they have the night, different time zones. 12 hours they are back. Americans, Canadians, they are back. Okay, I hope that you are getting about the different time zones of the world. Okay, now have a look on page number 120. 120. There is one activity here. Okay, MCQ. The earth rotates through 360 degrees of longitudes in about 24 hours. Right answer is 24 hours. 24 hours. Then second, the standard meridian of India is 82.5 east. It is situated in Allahabad, Indian Standard Time. Do it fast. Okay, I hope that you are getting what we are discussing right now. Okay, now you can see it here that we have completed about the local time and standard time, longitude and time. I hope that you are getting what we have discussed just now. Okay.